Today, no rain in sight. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, ready to provide all the analysis, is Stuart Robson. And every reason to believe we're in for an entertaining match here. It's the United States versus Arsenal.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
Schick. Pele. And it will be an Arsenal free kick. Weston McKennie. Arsenal get the advantage from the referee. Very alert defending to cut off the supply. Martinez. Saka. Well, it could be on for him here. And just failing to bend the run enough. And the flag has been raised. Valverde. William Saliba. And winning it back. And a throw-in for Arsenal. Pele. Kylian Mbappe. Weston McKennie. Griezmann. Valverde. And he has options available. But it fizzles out thanks to that piece of defending. Parejo. Eustáquio. Saka. Well, they keep working away, looking for an opening. Effort from long distance. Well, really rifling that one in, and he didn't miss by much. Dias. Pele. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. Can he put them in front? Well, it did look dangerous for a moment, but the keeper has it now. And the referee is quite rightly letting it go, but had to blow the whistle that time. Free kick it's going to be. Bremer. Now this is far from over. We're going to have 5 minutes of stoppage time. Dias. William Saliba. Federico Valverde. Pele. That is that for the first half here. So back underway, and an intriguing second half in prospect. Well-timed tackle. Alexandro. Dani Olmo. Martinez. And a tidy tackle. Arsenal move it forward with purpose and control. And a goal to open the scoring. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, I have to say, this is a really good goal. Just watch his technique here. He just hits through the back of the ball with such power. There's no stopping that.
And they will make the change now. So underway again here. 1-0 the score. A foul but no whistle. Instead advantage with Arsenal. Joao Cancelo. Advantage Arsenal. And now they have the ball back. And the referee blows the whistle. It is a free kick. Well, following on from the previous incident, he sees yellow now. Well, high-quality defending. And play halted, free kick given. Well, it is going to be a yellow card, and I can't imagine he's too surprised.
No, he was always going to get a booking there. He's been warned.
Yangel Herrera. And back to Costa. That's a fairly easy save for any keeper to make. And Diogo Costa with it. Parejo. Dani Olmo. A really committed challenge, and it's gone out for a throw-in. And with play stopped, they will make the change now. Dani Olmo. Schick. Weston McKennie. Federico Valverde. Griezmann. Well, time is against them. They have work to do. Well, disappointing end to the move. Now Griezmann. 5 minutes to go. Oh, they have it again. Parejo. Osimhen. Pele. Mbappe. Pele. Federico Valverde. Very quick thinking there. Dani Olmo. So there it is, the final whistle, and a satisfying outcome for Arsenal and the many fans around the world. What did you think of their performance as a whole?
Well, Derek, it was a tight game. Both sides had their moments and chances, but overall, they just about shaded it. A well-earned victory.